guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing absolutely fine. So nowadays everybody is facing skin issues, so they don't know what to do for that. So today I'm going to share with you guys some yoga moves which helps you in having healthy and glowing skin. So let's start the video. This pose is called Virabhadrasana, the warrior pose. Stand straight and spread your feet around 3 feet wide and turn your right foot to the front of mat and left foot slightly pointing inwards. Turn your hips facing towards right foot and bend right foot to 90 degrees angle while taking hands up and joining pause. Stay here and breathe 5 to 10 breaths slowly and release your hands and straighten your legs. Relax. Hey guys, now I'm going to share you the benefits of Virabhadrasana, the warrior pose. Basically, the warrior pose helps you in strengthening your lower back, arms and legs and enhances the stamina in your body, due to which it discharges the stress, relaxing your body, mind and soul. So it opens up the breathing in lungs, which gives you a good and glowing skin. This pose is called Adho Mukha Savasana, the downward facing dog. Place your hands on the floor, take both the feet 3 feet behind, raise your hips as high as you can and heels as low as possible. Feel the space between your legs. Keep looking at your foot. Stay up to 5 to 10 breaths. Breathe in slowly and breathe out slowly. Try to be in this position till 5 to 10 breaths and relax slowly. Adho Mukha Shavasana, the downward facing dog. So basically, Adho Mukha Shavasana helps you in strengthening your back and arms and stretches your shoulders, calves and hamstrings, which rushes the blood flow through your body and helps you in having a good and glowing skin. This pose is Sishu Asana, the child pose. Sitting on your heels, slowly move on to the table pose. Exhale and lower the hips to the heels and forehead on the floor. Have knees together, or if you are more comfortable, spread the knees apart. The arms can be overhead with palms on the floor. Palms or fist can be stopped under your forehead, or arms can be aligned side the body with palms up. Be in this position up to 5 to 10 breaths. Breathe in slowly and breathe out slowly. Release, place arms under the shoulder and slowly inhale up to the sitting position. and slowly release. Hey guys, now I'm going to say the benefits of Sishu Asana, the child pose. Basically, Sishu Asana helps you in stretching your lower back, hips, thighs and ankles. It also helps you in relaxing your spine, shoulders and neck muscles. It helps you in improving the blood circulation in your head, which aids in having a good and glowing skin. This pose is called Dhanur Asana, the bow pose. Lie down on your stomach and bend your knees towards your head. From the outer side, grab your ankles with your hands. Inhale and lift your head and chest and as well as your thighs off the floor. Continue breathing through your nose and looking straight. Stay up to 5 to 10 breaths depending upon your capacity. Breathe in slowly and breathe out slowly. And relax. Hey guys, now I'm going to say you about Dhanur Asana, the bow pose. Basically, the bow pose helps you in maintaining a good appetite and digestion, which improves the blood circulation in your body. With the help of this, the oxygen flow in your upper body will be good, which aids you in healthy and glowing skin. This pose is called Sarvanganasana, the shoulder stand. Lie down on your back. Start with gentle rocking using your momentum from rocking. Support your lower back and get knees close to the chest. Slowly straighten the spine, elbows in the line with shoulders. Straighten legs and stay. Keep breathing slowly. Stay there up to 5 to 10 breaths. Breathe in slowly and breathe out slowly. And slowly bend down the knees and gently place on the floor. If it's your first time, do with the front support. Benefits of Sarvanganasana, the shoulder stand. Sarvanganasana helps you in having a good blood circulation in your body, which balances all your hormones and digestion, which helps you in having a good and glowing skin. It also improves the flexibility of your body and strengthens your digestive system. This pose is called Marichyasana, the sage twist pose. Sit on your hips and straighten out your legs. Bend the left knee and place it next to the right knee. Keep the fist distance between your heel and knee. Lift the extend right hand and hook it onto the outer side of the left knee. Place your left hand behind your spine and twist. And breathe 5 to 10 breaths. Breathe in slowly and breathe out slowly. And release. Hey guys, now I'm going to say you about Marichyasana, the sage twist pose. Basically, Marichyasana helps you in restoring your digestive power. It strengthens your spine and it feels the breathing passes through your body, which helps you in getting rid of toxins and impurities from your body. Alright, so thank you for watching my video. If you like my video, then please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.